Today I'm going to share with you my top natural carpal tunnel treatments and ways to get rid of carpal tunnel in just 24 hours. And carpal tunnel is something that plagues a lot of people. And the problem is most of the treatments today are things like surgery, medications, or even bracing, and they are ineffective at best. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my top supplements and natural carpal tunnel treatments that you're going to see results with very quickly. The first thing you've got to know is what causes carpal tunnel. And typically carpal tunnel is caused by poor posture and it's an overuse injury. So when you're sitting at your desk, one of the first things you want to do is you want to rearrange what you're doing on a daily basis in that overuse injury. A lot of times it's caused from extending the wrist too much over time and keeping it in one position. Oftentimes raising up your desk, raising up your computer screen, and getting your body in a tight, comfortable position at a computer. That really is step number one. And then I want to talk about some other things you can do in terms of natural treatment. Now, if you're going to see a physician about carpal tunnel, I would actually highly recommend a chiropractor. And a chiropractor can actually work on adjusting the wrist bones and realigning that carpal, that area, that tunnel area, and removing pressure and interference on that nerve. And so that's one of the natural treatments you may consider. One of the things you can do yourself in terms of treatment is traction out your wrist. And part of this is due to a compression injury. So again, tractioning out your own wrist. You can also get a band and traction out your wrist, or you just hold onto a weight and let it traction itself. Those are some great natural treatments for carpal tunnel. But to get rid of this very, very quickly, one of the first things you need to do is start taking some good quality supplements. Now, it's been proven in medical research that vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 are the most effective vitamins for helping out carpal tunnel, and really those support your nervous tissue and help it heal and regenerate. So again, I'd recommend vitamin, like a B complex, a vitamin B6 or vitamin B12 supplement. The next supplement that is great for helping get relief from carpal tunnel is magnesium. And magnesium actually helps relax your blood vessels. It helps relax muscular tissue that can cause compression of nerves in that carpal area. And so again, what I would do is start using a magnesium supplement, typically about 250 milligrams 2 times daily. The next thing you want to do is take natural anti-inflammatory supplements like bromelain. Bromelain comes from the core of a pineapple. It's a proteolytic or an anti-inflammatory enzyme that works very well. Also, you can take that in combination with supplements like turmeric and boswellia, as well as ginger, and that can also help relieve some of that pressure in the carpal area. And then in terms of diet, you want to follow an anti-inflammatory diet, a diet that's very high in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids like wild-caught fish, or taking a fish oil supplement. But remember, organic fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fats should be the basis of your diet if you're trying to get carpal tunnel relief fast. And last but not least, one of the fastest topical treatments you can do to get carpal tunnel relief is using essential oils. Essential oils have been used for thousands of years for healing conditions, and 2 essential oils are going to be the most effective, and those are wintergreen and cypress. Now, wintergreen has an analgesic effect, so it will actually cool the area, the inflammation, really relieve the pain. And cypress increases circulation, and so cypress is great as well. If you want to add another oil to help repair the tissue, helichrysum oil is the best for that. But again, using a mixture of cypress and wintergreen, you typically will take about 3 or 4 drops and maybe a little bit of coconut oil and rub it on the area, and that's a good natural topical treatment that can get into that area and give you relief as well. So again, if you've got carpal tunnel, I guarantee if you follow those steps of number 1, doing some tractioning out of your wrist, number 2, following an anti-inflammatory diet. Number 3, taking some of the supplements I talked about, like the B complex supplement, a good quality fish oil, magnesium, anti-inflammatory herbs like bromelain, and then doing the natural treatment of essential oils of wintergreen and cypress. You are going to see great results in overcoming your carpal tunnel. And remember, the cause is the cure. You have to figure out what is causing your issue. So you really need to look at what is that overuse injury? How are you overusing your wrist? You got to give that area a rest as well. And that's going to lead to fast recovery from carpal tunnel.